This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Pender. Beautiful beach condo just a short distance to the oceanfront beaches, boardwalk, restaurants and shopping. Wonderful bright and open floor plan, end unit, in move-in condition with soaring ceilings, nice chef's kitchen, living room centered around the fireplace and first and second floor master suites. Private patio and storage shed. Great location close to the new Vibe District, Old Beach Residential District, Community Theater and Art Museum. For more information, review the details below.